What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope walkthrough. Today I will be walking through level 2 on foil box of Cut the Rope. And if you needed help on any of the other levels before this or after this, I am working through a walkthrough for every single level on Cut the Rope, and I have a playlist with all of those levels linked at the top of the description. If you did need help on any other level, check that out, and there is a 3-star walkthrough for that as well. But as for today's video, we are going through level 2, so let me hop in there and I will show you exactly what you need to do to get this 3-star rating. As you can see in this level here, you're actually going to have to drag it to a certain point. You can see right there where I drag it, it isn't quite all the way to the top, but it's about 3/4 to the top, and you might fail once or twice, but eventually you will get the rhythm down and see the exact point that you need to drag it through, to the point where when you cut that short rope, it's going to bounce down and not get into the spikes, but get those 3 stars pretty easily, and then you could just continue to drag it into Amzdam's mouth, as you could see right there. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you did have any questions, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.